coach na coach na ba oma on veli no ate se oba be se adwuma na se dia makrobia metema asante koroko Eric Tinkler from South Africa Muhammad Dani o screen so de am so pay America mu be ho pay no ye de ato screen so kama ono oba be adwuma de amakrobia metema asante koroko na okwa South Africa why adwuma ye pa esanse ni manage aro no Orlando Pirates woni o ma ye adwuma Cape Town City woni o ma ye adwuma Super Sports United woni o ma ye adwuma Chipa United woni wo monso aye adwuma afi Malmesbury United Seku Kone United ewo nyina wabo mo amatese wodi wo mo aye adwuma afi na edu club ya metema asante korokoso but the question is we betimi aye adwuma no area ma sante rokana koroko supporters ni yo okay with the quota wabana eno ye dia ye ba bedi ho enkomo now mami ndi sankomo we mfama na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama edi nkomo kakra edi atuja concerning Carlos Queiroz na duba oye as Black Stars head coach si edi aduma de mana so betimi aye aduma anaso ntimi enye aduma no Ghana man penya kasa e de afa ho ana osi ni nsusuo mu no e kana ese AFCON credit dey in Ghana ye betimi ade amana yi.
And we also need to start preparing for the next World Cup. The Black Stars did well. Nobody gave them a chance. People predicted they'll crash out at the group stage, but they managed to get into the round of 32. I'm sure that if we keep this team and we persuade the coach to continue to work with the team, by the time of the next AFCON and the time of the next World Cup, we'll have a team that can claim the championship in any of those two competitions. Okay, so where the Ghana man paying Erituja? Now, we not say ya picture wa Ghana han say etimi emiti standard. Esan say ebedu baby bia say ye team we na kwa Africa say pitch no emiti standard. O say ne sisiem no wo wes anyo we kwa de ebenya ayested makudo makunum ate so betimi abo ma na mpo ebetimi ma Ghana kwanya na say AFCON ye betimi hosu bia etimi abo ye pa. So want over the next few years to have at least 5 stadia in this country that can host CAF competitions properly, because I'm sure that since 2008, after we hosted the AFCON, the time is almost near for us to host another AFCON. Maybe in conjunction with our neighbors, we can come together ourselves in Cote d'Ivoire and then host.
Okay, Ghana man pay epiriti se anase ohese bia se ye nyoma bi ti se Africos abaka Ghana wa since 2008 ye wosu a bibre men nyina besi aka wa ha no ate yie se Ghana ye senya se enmunyam se ni bi na owie bebe pe na sports minister ye wura Kofi Adams enso de nkoma kakra di eta fa sa pitches any stadium ho ense bia
facility, and that has been the commitment I communicated to the regional minister, who himself has helped us to upgrade at least the sitting area. This used not to be there in this form, and it was only during your tenure last year that we managed to secure this, just to upgrade it for some levels of games. Our intention is to be able to modernize this stadium and make it complete so it can host CAF certified events. And that plan is at place, and we can assure you that everything will be done to achieve the objective that you set out for us in the area of what? Sports and sports development. Okay, so and something in any Jude Baffour Atenase na Jude the Yabesase ewo efinsem na yetimi adomu esiko yi pa ezanse wo mu hu hia awe football development mu no ana akasai Ghana man pay ene de wayi ni so onhwe agodie ho nsem so ene say pa omo obetimi ama ye hope say oman ye football ebeko ye edwuma mu mienu so ansa na timamufo no yeso ye de aba de abeso so Jude, good morning.
Good morning, bro.
Na empomi ye de
nyame adumu na onso
oh nyame adumi bia ye
de radio ase
oh yes come up Peso ya na mboso. Peso ya na mboso.
Sika no the boys now score no.
Sa. But we akwesi ayala na the brem. Yes, akwesi ayala na the brem. In this area dia o pe obi a. So o pe obi a ska won ho de on ofi America ba ya ntanya me de bo Ghana he ya. Oh yes, come up. Come up.
Your bona baso the sports. Ayala nipa mu nipa. Na me nsra no, me ni nipa ho do ahia. Ayala edamu nsu.
Yeah.
Ukraine just the short period me ni Ayala ahia.
Yes, of
course. Difference.
Yes, of
no,
course.
One man who said you see.
Yes, I have a better yeah.
Make us up from the bottom of my heart. And you say, "Bia, I'm not far for."
That
you say me. I don't be as.
And as a Jude did you obi in the world city. Aha,
into me, someone.
Of course.
I always cherish him. Yes.
So, Yamre, my president to say was a senior man. The horses are also no dia to Jano. Minim so besa se free kotoko. Na dia ko ya blasters is mo baby apeso sha se free.
Mama sha se free the first gentleman of the land.
Okay.
Yeah papa John Dramani Mahama Ahunfidua His Excellency JMB a guy. Minim the enti am naturally me penasem. No me penasem do minim the enti o. Uti menya NDC ni o. Ena menya NPP ni nso. First, na me NPP ni no kwe ba ko pe me ka no crash ene na me NPP ni pa but matwe me ho kakra
zade o you floating
now for now me floating maybe I no credit there na me ka some said me come as me come as ma binsuru me nya NDC ni da na me NPP ni pa me mabusu nya NPP my contact Victor Smith Ghana's ambassador to US ono timi ka hwe me nua abonim say family they strong NPP but I made matwe me ho
okay
me floating me shawa be on yema yie na matoma ba ma say sale no na midim but papa ni in person there from TTO communications minister me done do minim de enti o naturally me penasem His Excellency ti unim bro asam na yema mpanyina aka no ade we ya ade ba ko a Ghana ha nkasa no yeso ho ache aka ho asem pa say I was seeing a lot of infrastructure sporting infrastructure and not just for football alone and your Black Stars as a money or see it me developing and sports no because sports no a tool ba ko ye betimi a use e dey project on mine that is ye be use in year e be side sika aba on mine enti ehia ye me kai wo emra Thomas Tay Pate ye papa ye rabaumia okay okokosra Black Stars before NPP abine free so
okay
Okoye na Thomas Tay Pate so be ka okakere ne se osre na ani die mu omomo na omomo a good pages
okay so yeah make
okay pa
yeah
yes okay asem ne pa and me feel say he was on point na no ni ade ehi omo when me say bibi kesi o ade na no kan ye ade na omo adi hu nkomo enye ono nko a ba on a leader for the team
yeah
ti die ehi omo no ene waka
which aparte ni years aka of football club no so
exactly
na mom ntini ma betuma ba be so
because omunim edana me kan sem dia tro say unim say offer CIES observatory report on footballer ope Africa no nation ba ko a we export talent here pa na obey Senegal no way in Nigeria Ghana nso eka ho bi nations Africa omo export talent pa nti say ope dwadie pa e football mu a ye di dwa pa Patrioti ase ye the players ye the talent eko amanone so they call discover so on your points no enti edwadie ba ko a ye di CIES observatory report on football at the buy so meaning ye wa ade bi a dance we betimi discover ese me ani akoso we betimi aboaye and sad no ye better ni aya ni ye or see a create what we call an enabling environment ye create say enabling environment na aya no ani e betimi aya ni anya ne say aya two aya business ye bro so on your point no ye the ye business enti no aya na me su ni me nua da bia ye ka yes Ghana need sports particularly football it is sports na ye can ye beka boxing gymnasium ni ade Carnation Sports Complex dey o na ye hu ye betimi akeka saa na ma na di ho nkomo but ade ba ko o se bi si ahu ni in economics o hu ye wa ade bi a friend skill of preference meboa Ghana bepe so be hosti AFCON meboa o hosti e onim so no nko any capacity for now.
Yeah.
Just on in neighboring countries, Togo and Nigeria no and some comodie no Gabi yemisi ho ade so offer scale of preference as a nation. No we be sa ho say pay in current situation dey wo mu yete bia ye wo mu. So ade here pa ne say ye be invest sika e dey cost sports infrastructure mu patriotie. Na mponi asan so agene ho hosting an AFCON na. Gabi so what's my point na say? Per yen current situation. And only idea here, we will have to develop our sporting infrastructures. It is very key, it is very important. But I'm only asking the question, say, looking at the current situation, dear Omai no minu in any maniano, ye tibiano, ye bobrana, ye wom no, say ensure tono, and crying. So the ensure you far amount for. Every the far amount for no. Ye who's about to point say, even Sikampa and drainage system. Sikambu krana Accra Metropolitan Assembly so here mpono ayeden uti we will get there say no point I feel say sports development fund ye ya na foto no ye nya sika du a certain stage me kra me campaign say look stage na ya baba bedu no ye nso ase njire sa na ma no but for now say a state ni sika uti Ghana as a nation with your limited resources any ya ho kire wom no. So, really, and who be here say you be invested so much and they go into sporting infrastructures. Bro, what you say? No, but cry as I who see a hosti and AFCON na. You miss a host ani man. You share your situation at your womb. So, are we ready for it? Because one say, hano, you treat sports as a recreational tool, and yes, I fan. You only say recreation. You funny say a business. So you say a business. And you just see about them as a business. You see the GG any. Sanya dear no. So see you see the GG any. Now we show in current situation now. So the can and can luxury. Only say luxury. The can and necessity. Gabi. Tell common the can money oh Ghana be person. Mampany person ye host AFCON meboa. So before be host AFCON so certainly ourselves would develop sporting infrastructures. Now Gabi, sansam na ye kan no ma menchu agene nsi ade so. One kasa road network no utie. Oban na utim no wa kwan net say. Unim say to host an AFCON also unya proper road network. So Accra Kumasi kwan.
Yeah.
Why are there? One kasa Kumasi haya wa Kumasi yetebia. Because say ba ne see be host AFCON krana. The two major cities are certainly Obekan was Greater Accra and then Ashanti region. And some any other part about Trim.
Yeah.
So bisa the situation now. Wa kwan et say and Kumasi akwan. Sa anyene ne say meboa. Yes, sir, say ye beye babesine yentimi enye. Eno da ho. O railway system na mu to say. Ghana, o railway system et say. Because to host an AFCON, so be connected around 16, 17. Say body asanso AFCON impo ya say biem. Utie. Say asanso biem and there's a possibility say be say biem more. What be sound say the international countries be braving developed countries in Pono. Bebre no ejane Africa no in quotes adentre drew baby na Morocco nkoana na o save Africa almost obi ejane AFCON meboa mune han no almost obi ejane countries omo anim chen yempo ejane AFCON dentia because they feel say omo ye stock taking who feel say omo ye cost benefit analysis because of course encommon ye di no ye can was say ye share the economic benefits tima catch us encommon just about sports as a recreational tool. Name me sports the bear business no. Are we ready for it? Ya boy ye hu ye, ya conscientize ye ho. Nampo kra no. Analysis by ni aye utie. Ye hu say decide this ye be hosti AFCON kra na. E dem fa so bebre. Shananse ya science you know my di na matter so na me try me me research bi me wie. So University of Ghana Nansia Olympic Village no some wi but wa hu bi. Some TDAC ye pay ye ho asem because Ghana had ye back a mehu no kra ne say ye decide say host competition e hono na amanfo fan so mo de san kwan. Ye can say be host competition a amanfo a opportunity o mo de san kwan. Anya nansia mo first our games ne say de mo host wo hanom.
All African Games.
All African Games. So OTDAC University of Ghana. Paper keka ya say card utie. Card keke no need to be $1,000 or more for it. Paper ni ade tu ekom no, paper ade tu ekom no. Paper ade tu ekom. Minim say no one thing one say, Debbie bro, Baku Biano now was costing more than even $1,000. That's how minister no. Wo de matumebo, once my edi besi na, me wo de me ye, me ye obetime nka.
So
enti utie. Sa games ni ye wie ya rani at a cost.
Enti unim.
Aye o man nika.
Enye se me twa no, but
yeah, bro.
Obi ti obebi sa say, so Jude.
Yes.
Is it wrong say o man penyin beka say yesterday we Ghana ha. At least anya kwa de se enya maku num. Sania ye teams na ekọ Africa one. The first factor.
Yes.
Was your teams na ekọ Africa.
Yes.
Then the next one or the back ho I say of you say as you host to AFCON aye there atenti see etimi meet sa 5 na ansa na ya dwene say betima aye there I host to be so is it wrong
nice one
say you benya pitches and say your stadium I would do meet standard your clubs equal because now Dr. Kwame Chi
Nemai yes
and this is about the queen so much they come out by say omo say na be o metimi aye wo mo
ekwan no na enya stadium no
aye ekwan na make
aye state na
say betimi meet aye standard meboa enti obebisa say aye wrong so man peyin be kasa na
dabi ye papa enye wrong membokra no de ma nigie ni say wo man peyin a yen sports or interest wo ye I say about ye papa basumputi o father of the nation ye mo na basumpo say wo sa adwene ni say I will say Ghana ye boami and sports etumpon na teach you football ni nso no etumpon because number 1 sport.
Okay.
But adia me be sane say draw scale of preference meboa ehim fada na ehia o kane so unim dia ma me be say no one kasana oto no o my Ghana Ghana as a state as a corporate entity me try dia bi dia ye freno maintenance culture mpo yeni dia ye di kan ye mebo baba ya sports stadium so hu said aye tabale mo ahu bi na ho kra de ho de na enkrantie utie enkrantie agi ho sports stadium orefi wan gas wan hu sa videos ni bi ho enkrantie je honum fine kosekune kosekendi kokohe sekendi the sorry state of sekendi sports stadium patch all the point na say the ye dada mpo no the ye dada no ye ntimi maintain utie membu obi abamo we have to do it is very important but me first thing and can get here me kran e was say the wo ho na e say no e no ne me ani ekon aje no ho adwuma wie ye wie the wo ho na because o maintain ya o mboka te say o ye new ones o batcho me boa enti ekun e be fa so uplifting yen stadium na aban dada no eboa ma yesi no yen nye sa adwuma no first ye no wia because yen timi nhwe ma ninsi on proper ni asa akwa new ones
but I think that's another voice in the person actually it's not about building a new one
that's what I'm saying say no mom na o se me ani breso but uni ma de ye no wia brought ye why ye enu awie no na wo dia se omo because ye Ryan bofo ankra mo adwuma na omo ye no e wo fom our form ye pa no credit e ba kope na say no fu say obepe private person no one partner with the state yempe private person no partner with the state
no first stadium no nyina fa
exactly ye clear say Ghana aban adwuma bebre no ana say niam ye state na dia no ye me basa the moment are private ebebem na be private ni state no e na e pe ana e partner no different enti emi adwene nko anye sa da bia no ye bebobo boka bi agusa because indeed say ye claim say Yeah, a great sporting nation, especially a great footballing nation. Adia Bako ye very key infrastructure. Gabi Utimasi, we from when ye infrastructure very key. Name your problem with say you maintaining your infrastructure. You be ya de kama you wia na ya say no.
Shego ko de fa mame then na ye to aso.
Metro mebo ekenkan krata num kama about Eric Tinkler. Na Eric Tinkler na ye kan on yentia say open footballing legends so Africa ha. I mean he's part of it. Let me read for South Africa. The AFCON no or a part of the team on John Show Quentin Fortune on ye eneba. Na dear minim any dear mehuno. Say okay krata no critically or the enema mienu ebeba on board.
Okay.
Krata na mimi hu no extra say one. On say for now no. Me expect another krata be saba. Your friend further and better particulars no. Sa krata no and be can year about in the CV. On say we know basically because of sa pressure eba kotoko mpenyum for so and a match coach Ben na eba made manual tum bi pa. And you also mama yehu. Say look we working. It is understandable. There is a new coach on board. A nunti on the krata we aba. It means say another krata besaba. I be man maybe I am very clear, very explicit on coach no. Ni jumedi obaba bedi nyina. Ye sure say bi mpo Andrew Honom no. Na the technical team no mbe ya adwuma no. No mu kran so available.
Okay.
Me sure pa. Bro, me kan krata anum no. Kakra ni mi hu nie. Kotoko afa obi nipa no in terms of level or a certain pedigree because there say obi a coachy sa teams here Orlando Pirates or the Omaba Champions League finals Super Sports United or the Omaba Confederations Cup final it tells you say anye biano ofa even sa teams mienu na oko South Africa ope big teams pa na in for Orlando Pirates kon dey KJ Champions League first out South Africa. So our coaches are teams where about